Hello, like many of you, I've been suffering from the Macbook battery being faulty. It's been replaced 3 times so far and it's been turned off in storage the last month or two, so it hasn't been used or charged or plugged in. Plugged it in today and it's completely dead. Doesn't charge. This is what you're getting. Nothing. And it's just a green light all the time. It does work on mains, but it's just the battery's completely dead. So I've had an idea. What I'm going to do is take the battery out and put it into one of these machines. We may have one at the house, so we'll just put that in there and we'll put it on power freeze. And we'll set the timer for 10 minutes. Actually no, 15. We'll cook it for 15 minutes in the freezer and we'll see the results in 15 minutes. Should be ready. So we've just got the MacBook battery out of the freezer. Unsurprisingly, it still hasn't got a charge, but if we bring it in here, put it into the machine, and plug it in. Okay. It's green. And nothing yet. But if we put it up, cool t-shirt, eh? I actually got fed up with the problems I was having with this and just got a new one, which is over there. I have to say I'm not being too confident at the minute because it's still green, but it might be recognised at least in the computer, which it wasn't before. Who knows? Password. The moment of truth. So it wasn't recognised at all before, so let's see what it does. Oh, battery not charging. Power. Oh, we're getting it up now at least. Charge remaining 0. Fully charged, charging no. Cycle count 33, condition check battery. After 33 cycle counts, 33, the battery's faulty. Rubbish. So the moral of the story is freezing the battery does not fix it. Surprise.